Alter, geht's noch? Wo ist der Hase hin?
Is that what make him do things?
Mann, ich wusste nicht, dass das jetzt plötzlich so realistisch ist. Dass das ein richtiger Bogen ist. Das kriege ich schon hin. Jetzt pass auf, ich tue schon vorher zielen, die Sehne spannen. So, darf ich jetzt... Alter, was ist denn das jetzt für eine Kacke hier? Ich hab gedrückt gehalten, dann hat er nicht gezogen, die Sehne.
Well, since we don't have any food.
Ja, verhungern wir halt. Mein Gott.
So what's this?
Previously on Game of Thrones.
Wollte ich auch gerade sagen.
You'd help the Second Sons. Guide them into Marine.
I can't, Asher.
This could be our only chance.
Get them into the city. Help them liberate Marine. And I will see that you are rewarded.
You think you can reason with a wardling?
No, I'm a friend.
Mhm. Hat nicht so gut funktioniert.
Don't move.
Das sind Geschwister. Achso, er sagt es jetzt, da muss ich ja gar nicht sagen. Egal. Habe ich trotzdem gesagt. So, schön.
I have to get in there, Sarah. Lord Whitehill is up to something. He's conspiring against my family. And someone in there is helping him.
Andros is hiring sellswords. Hundreds of them.
What?
He's building an army for Lord Whitehill, big enough to march against Ironrath.
Talia, I may be leaving you here with a traitor.
Find out who it is.
Rodri! I'm told you're a man who can't be broken. I've decided to come see for myself.
Die Worte aus dem Mund von dem ist immer... Oha. Und somit, guten Tag, ihr Leid. Episode 5, Folge 1 von Game of Thrones, das Spiel.
And Talia's been such good company. Think she
Und
likes
das ist mal wieder Ramsay.
Or maybe your mother. A flower plucked is still a flower. Just dies more quickly. We could be a family, Lord Forrester. You'd like that, wouldn't you? Your mother may need some convincing.
You killed our brother.
I've killed many brothers, sisters too. But let's put our happy day to the side for a moment. Walk with me. Oh, you won't need your sword. Not where we're going.
I'm not going without my sword.
I'm afraid you are. Here, I'll help you.
Tja.
There. Doesn't that feel better? Oh, you're coming too.
This is Lord's business, not a child's.
I say she comes. I don't trust her with my men.
How fares your father, Lord Bolton?
Better than yours. Polite of
Sorry.
you to ask. I loved playing in the woods when I was your age. Still do. So many places to hide. I've gotten very good at finding people.
Roderick?
It's all right, Talia.
That reminds me. Where's Griff? I expected to be greeted by him on my arrival. Bit of a disappointment to have to show myself in. And here I had such high hopes for Ludson.
Griff and his men are under guard. They have no place here.
They do if I say they do. Oh, I really hoped things might be different with you. I hoped we could be friends. After all, I was generous. I've allowed you to keep half your forest. Your livelihood. Yet you went behind my back and called in the Glenmores. I'm not sure how you managed
so klar, dass irgendwie...
The Glenmores have sworn their loyalty to my father.
I knew I couldn't trust the Whitehills, so I asked the Glenmores to keep the peace.
You don't need the Glenmores. You have the protection of the Warden of the North. Well, I'm certainly glad we've sorted this out. Thank you for being so forthcoming. But there's still a price. Ah, here we are.
Roderick!
You disobeyed me. You disrespected me. Someone has to pay. You didn't think it would be you, did you? Your damaged goods. Someone else's leftovers. He's quite handsome, isn't he? Should I be jealous? Look at what you've done! I hope it was worth it. Is it worth it, Arthur?
Please stop! Please!
Talia, don't look away. It's very important you see what comes of disobedience.
Roderick! Make him stop! Please! Do something!
Talia, don't look.
Please.
Look at him, Talia. See what your brother's done.
Please, please, Lord Ramsay.
Sorry, but they'll never learn otherwise.
Mercy, have mercy! Mercy, my lord!
Did Roderick show mercy to Griff?
Ja,
This
hat
is
er.
his fault.
Ich hab Gnade gegen ihn gezeigt.
That's a lot of blood.
Ach komm, scheiß drauf, der bringt ihn Seele.
Dead for this.
And that, Talia, is why no one likes your brother. The poor lad's fainted. Let's give him a minute. You want to kill me, don't you? Release him. Go on. Prove how strong you are. Do it for Ethan.
No, Roderick! He's toying with you!
Okay. Natürlich spielt er mit uns.
I'm impressed. Woo. Lucky for me, you're a cripple. I may have misjudged you, Roderick. I came here to kill you, but now I'm thinking it might be far more entertaining to watch you and Ludd tear each other to pieces. I never want to come back to this fucking shit stain of a holdfast. I have better things to do than to play wet nurse to you and Ludd. So you'll settle this on your own. Last house standing wins. Otherwise I'll kill you both and be done with it.
House Forrester will win this fight.
You're very confident for a man with no army and half a face. And one more thing. Can't leave a job half finished. Ready the horses? Not sure you'll have much luck finding other allies.
Jesus. Es ist... Mit Ramsay jedes Mal das Gleiche, hey. Ich meine, es ist ja schön, wenn man einen Charakter einschätzen kann, aber wenn man ihn sieht, weiß man sofort, Das geht nicht gut aus. Alter Schwede. Ja, sorry, ich hätte jetzt auch sowas sagen können wie, oh, Entschuldigung oder sowas, aber... Wir sind jetzt in der 5. Episode von 6. Es glaubt doch wohl keiner mehr, dass wir hier ungeschoren rauskommen oder dass das ein Happy End gibt. Nie im Leben gibt das ein Happy End. Also, ich will jetzt nicht sagen, dass man ein bisschen die Sau rauslassen kann, das jetzt auch nicht. Aber ich habe ja gesagt, mit Roderick spiele ich auf Badass. Allerdings geht das Badass gerade nach hinten los, quasi. Oh weh. Oh weh, oh weh. Das wird nicht gut ausgehen. Folge 5, Söhne des Winters. Hatten wir das nicht erst? War das nicht Folge 4 schon? Also Episode? Ja, jetzt, ich muss da jetzt nicht so draufhalten. Ja gut, bleibt da stehen, ist eine gute Idee.
Only a monster would do such a thing.
Ach.
The Boltons will pay for this. Innocent blood shed on Forrester lands. What would Father think? Arthur. Oh, I'm so sorry.
I keep asking myself what we've done to deserve such hate. Did we bring it on ourselves? Or is this house just cursed?
Ramsay Snow is a bloody savage.
Das wäre eigentlich alles richtig gewesen.
Yet we're bound by law to obey him. By the gods, I miss the Starks. The Glenmore Guard are gone. Ordered home by Ramsay. So much for having allies.
Ramsay says he's not taking sides anymore. He means to let the strongest house survive.
I intend that to be us, Duncan.
But can we even fight them? We don't have the numbers. We don't yet have Ryan back. And if Mira's right about an army from the south...
We'll worry about that after we get Ryan back. Once we've made the trade, then we can start discussing.
Where is he? Where is my brother?
Oh.
Let me through!
Elena.
Roderick, tell me where he... Oh, no. No. Oh, no. No! Arthur, no! Arthur! It's my fault. I brought him into this. I asked him to help. He did this for me.
You can't blame yourself, Elena. He was a grown man. He made his own choices.
But he trusted me. He always has. I was there the day he learned to hold a bow. He was so nervous that Father called him Quiver. And now to die. Like this. Tortured. Mutilated.
Ramsay Snow did this. He's a madman.
Ramsay was here because of you, Roderick. If we hadn't been your allies...
Da hat's einen Punkt.
Elena.
I'm sorry.
Let's get you someplace warm.
How do I do this, Roderick? How do I keep going? Where do I find the strength?
You can't help the dead. So care for the living. For me, that's Ryan, Talia, Mira, and you.
Roderick. You've been such a friend to me, Roderick. Right from the very beginning. I should try to get some sleep. I'm not sure I'll be able to. But I don't know what else to do.
You're not alone, Elena. I'm here for you, whatever you need.
Thank you, Roderick.
Ich hätte jetzt eigentlich eher gedacht, dass er sagt, wo du bist, ist Gefahr. Und dass er sich trennt. Aber okay.
Ah, there you are. I haven't seen you since the coronation feast.
How many ships do you suppose it takes to move an army?
Ships? Why in the world would you...
Never mind.
Mira, I'll be honest. I took an enormous risk, defying Marjorie to get you into that feast. And you thanked me by making a scene with Lord Andros, in front of everybody. Marjorie saw, of course, and she knew exactly how you got there.
Andros was the one doing the yelling. You can't blame me for his poor manners.
But he was yelling at you. And it's not the first time you've gotten yourself into trouble lately. Which is why it's not safe for me to be around you anymore.
What?
Mira, you're not the girl I knew at Highgarden. She'd never be so reckless. And now that Garibald and I are discussing marriage, I just can't risk being associated with you. Not anymore. You know how much I need this marriage.
Sarah, you can't mean this. I have too few friends in King's Landing as it is.
I'm sorry. I really am. But I just can't anymore.
Verständlich von Sarahs Seite.
At least. Sacrificing so much for your family.
They're still in very grave danger, I'm afraid.
Ist natürlich gerade...
Well,
es läuft gegen Ende zu, ihr Leute.
Better go before she sees me. She already
Mira Forrester.
Can I help you?
You need to come with me. Now.
Why would I?
Don't make this difficult.
Okay, jetzt wird's lustig, weil, was ist jetzt hier los? Er sagt nicht, kommst mit, sondern es war ja fast schon eine Bitte. Aber gut kann das nicht sein. Aha, wir sind wieder in Meren.
You still angry at me?
What do you think?
I think I deserve a little gratitude.
He's dead. I shouldn't care how it happened. It doesn't feel like I expected. I thought I'd feel lighter. Or something.
No matter what happens, I'll have your back. Always.
And I yours, little brother. But we should never have come here. This city. It only holds pain for me, Asher. I was hoping to bury it all with Dezor's corpse.
I can't imagine what it must have been like.
Please, I don't want to talk about it again.
Asher, you're back.
Uncle. Let's collect our second sons and get out of here.
If you did as you were told, Daenerys should deliver.
Daenerys, huh? First names with the Queen now, are we?
Your Grace, my nephew has returned from his mission.
It seems you played your part in the taking of Meereen, Asher Forrester. Did you run into any trouble? Reports from the battle are muddled. Perhaps you can clear them up. Well, my time is short.
I assure you, he means no disrespect.
I don't have patience for arrogant sellswords. I heard rumors of an incident in the city. Do you know anything about it?
Your Grace, we encountered the slave master Dizor Zoraza on the way to the signal tower. I regret that he lost his life.
Oh, don't fucking...
You admit it, then? The punishment for defying a queen is death. And yet you come to me for a reward. Why should I let this pass?
Ich meine, sie wusste es. Wir hätten sie erst gar nicht anlügen können.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Don't.
I'm waiting.
Because Beskha was Dizor's slave. For years.
Damn you, Asher.
She deserved her revenge as much as any slave in Meereen.
You have my sympathies.
Keep your pity, Dragon Queen. Give us soldiers and we'll be gone.
I apologize for her, Your Grace.
It's all right, Malcolm. I do not hold it against her or you. You have proved yourselves in battle. And while you disobeyed my orders, you had good reason. Unfortunately, I cannot spare my second sons.
Auch das war so klar.
The mission was a success.
I need every soldier to hold Meereen.
Das war schon von Anfang an klar.
She was never going to help us.
You promised me Croft and his second sons.
Which is why I'm not going to let you leave here empty-handed.
Sie hat ja gleich gesagt, wenn ihr genau macht, ganz genau, was euch gesagt wird, dann kriegt ihr von mir die Armee. Und es war so klar, dass das nie klappen wird. Jetzt mal abgesehen von dem Fuzzi da umgebracht, aber...
This gold will be of use. Perhaps you can find the swords you need in Meereen.
What sort of soldiers can I hope to hire with this?
Your gratitude is astounding. A new day is born in Meereen. The slaves have thrown off their collars. There are fighters among those who used to be bound.
On behalf of the Foresters and the Branfields, I thank you.
Wer sind denn die Branfields?
See that you are ready when I return to Westeros. I have other plans for you, Malcolm.
Plans for me, Your Grace?
We never agreed to this.
Asher, please.
I would like you to stay and serve me. I have a task for you.
Your Grace, I am humbled. But I owe my allegiance to my family.
And they will be grateful for the Targaryen alliance you've helped forge.
I am honored you would ask me. Might I discuss it with my nephew first?
Do so. But let me know your answer soon.
Kann überhaupt Nein sagen?
You'd seriously consider staying in Essos?
I'm not sure. This is all rather sudden. If she does come to Westeros, we'd want Daenerys Targaryen on our side. You've made a good start with her. I could strengthen that bond.
She broke her word, Uncle.
Not without her reasons.
She did it once. She could easily do it again.
Maybe. But this alliance might be worth the risk. But whatever comes of this, we still need men who will fight for us now. The Queen thought we might find them here, among the newly freed.
Don't even think about it. You just couldn't keep your fucking mouth shut, could you? Had to tell her everything. You sold me out for a chest of gold.
We're out of options. I need your help, Beskha.
I need this. I need that. You're just a spoilt lordling under it all, aren't you?
I'll make it up to you, all of it, I swear it. If you think we can find a force in Meereen, I need to hear it.
The little queen is right. Meereen holds plenty of killers, and I know the worst.
So what are we waiting for? Let's go get them.
I don't know, Asher. They're not like us. To them, killing is a sport. It's fun.
Let them have fun with the Whitehills, then. As long as they kill them, I don't care.
Don't say I didn't warn you.
Hört sich für mich eher wie Leute an, wenn man denen genug gibt, dann wechseln sie auch die Seiten.
So, where exactly are we going?
Well, these fighters used to be slaves. If I had to guess, I'd say they'll be trying to live like masters.
Boah, das wird sowas von nicht gut ausgehen. Aber mal gucken. Nee, das wird halt einfach nicht gut ausgehen, kann ich dir jetzt schon sagen. Das wird nicht gut ausgehen. Es ist Game of Thrones und es ist Telltale. Es ist eine fiese Verbindung. Das wird nicht gut ausgehen. Oh Mann. Eigentlich alles, was ich jetzt noch machen kann, ist, glaube ich, Schadensbegrenzung oder so.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Someone has to keep watch.
Oh.
It's getting worse, isn't it?
We're only about a few days out from the Antler River. We cross a bridge the first men built. And from there, we can try to find the North Grove. Right, Sylvie?
We're not going north. We're going south to join Mance and the rest of the Free Folk.
But look...
That was always the plan, Cotter.
I have to go to the North Grove. My family's depending on it.
Wenigstens
Your family
einer,
needs you
weißt
to
du?
wander around in the snow until you get eaten by a direwolf.
Please, Sylvie. He knows what he's doing.
Does he now? Tell me then. How did my brother get that gash in his arm? You dressed his wound up well enough. But why'd he get hurt in the first place?
What does that have to do with the...
Hush, Cotter! I'm asking Fishface here.
Sylvie!
Don't Sylvie me.
Der wurde von Wildlingen angegriffen. Ja.
Mistook Cotter for a crow.
Can't imagine why.
We tried to reason with them and, well, things got out of hand.
Out of hand? From the look of him, he was nearly killed. Point is, you don't belong out here.
Sylvie, I've known Garrett a while now. He may not be one of us, but I trust him.
I've been waiting months for you, Cotter. And when you finally come home, it's with some crow who can barely build a fire. No, we don't need to die for him.
Me neither. Fucking North Grove isn't even real. And if it is, it's probably full of wolves and more wildlings. It is real. Lord Forrester believed it. And so do I.
And you're both idiots.
Finn, will you...
Just piss off!
Some leader you turned out to be.
You should listen to him. The further north you go, the more likely you'll never come back. It's just not worth it. Once Cotter's fit to travel, we head south. With or without you, Garrett.
Sylvie.
You need to rest. And we'll be wanting something to eat. I won't go far.
Mann, lieber. Und ich dachte, das wäre so das kleine Schwesterchen, weißt du so, aber holla, die hat Feuer.
I can explain.
Did you know she'd refuse to go north?
I swear, I didn't. I thought she could help. Sylvie knows these woods better than I do. If anyone can find the North Grove, it's her. And besides, I couldn't just leave her. I won't do that. Not again.
Well, you may have to.
I'm not abandoning her. You can go find the North Grove all by yourself for all I care.
Vielleicht nicht sagen sollen.
So that's it.
I
can't head north without a guide.
I go where she goes. I'm sorry, Garrett.
Okay, wir müssen sie irgendwie überzeugen. Guck mal, da hinten läuft's rum. Ein bisschen umgucken.
Garrett.
You and your sister, you,
Ja, sie hat weiße Haare und es ist scheinbar kein Schnee oder so. Ah, ja, siehst du?
I know what you're getting at, so you may as well just say it.
I just wondered.
She was born like that. My mother used to call her Little Moon. The rest of our village thought she was a bad omen. The better of them stayed away from her. The worse? Let's just say I'm glad to be rid of them.
Why didn't you just tell me the truth? That you came here to find your sister?
I wanted to, but I didn't think you'd understand. I couldn't risk it. I'm sorry.
What happened to your village? Did you leave?
Well, not by choice. When Sylvie reached 2 years, they told my mother we weren't welcome anymore. She wasn't welcome. I guess they all hoped she wouldn't survive long enough to get a name. But she's tough, Sylvie. No way she wasn't gonna make it.
Why were they afraid of your sister?
Same reason you Southerners call us wildlings. Same reason you put up that wall to keep us out. People are arseholes.
Where's your mother now?
I don't know. Still back at the village for all I know. She tried to send my sister away. Wrapped her up in furs and everything like a good mother would. I left that night when I heard.
How's your arm feeling?
Decent, I'd say. Why'd you ask? Oh, you mean this one? Yeah, it's shit.
Ja, komm, dann fragen wir das auch noch.
Take me north.
I wanna help you, Garrett, I mean it. But I
Und was er halt sagt ist, stell dich mit der Schwester gut und überzeug die Schwester. Dann geht er mit. Also jetzt mache hier nicht so ein Gefuppes hier. Ich gehe mal nach der Schwester gucken. Oh, kann man es hier noch irgendwie? Na, da hinten lief die Schwester irgendwo rum, glaube ich, oder? Ah, guck mal, da ist Finn. Können wir mit dem auch ein bisschen labern? Guck mal, den kann man gleich zweimal mit ihm reden.
What are you doing over here? There's a perfectly good fire.
I'm not going anywhere near those fucking wildlings.
Oh, come on. Just give them a chance.
I did, and look where it got us.
I'm sorry for getting you into this mess. Really.
Not your fault. I wanted to come. Just didn't know this is how it'd turn out.
Come on, Finn. You'll freeze your ass off if you stay here.
Suppose you're right. May as well get warm before I die.
So, jetzt haben wir den wenigstens mal vom Kältetod gerettet. Ist er da drin? Nee, oder? Ah, das da interessiert mich. Das ist das Familienzeichen, ein Bär?
Wonder if her mother gave her that.
Achso, das haben wir schon gesehen.
Little Moon.
Ach so. Die Waffen da kann man nicht irgendwie... Oh, Speere. Haben wir aber auch, glaube ich, schon alles gesehen. Ja, komm, ist gut jetzt. So, wir suchen Sylvie. Also ich sehe da einen Weg. Also da eigentlich... Ist das ein... Oh, das ist ein Hase.
Whoa! Fucking hell. Could you have been any louder?
Sorry.
Never met a crow before. Sorry I almost killed you. Might have done you a favor, though. Plenty of things want to kill a crow up north. Giants, thens, shadow cats and ice spiders. And the White Walkers, of course. A spear sounds nice after all that, doesn't it?
I'm not a crow anymore. I left that life behind
Oh,
me.
das ist 2 Tage her oder so.
Always a crow.
Aber ja, okay.
That's what they say, anyway.
Don't frighten our dinner away. Shit.
Here.
Oh, was never any good with a bow. Know how to use that? You're not going to shoot me in the leg, are you?
I may do all right.
Just be sure to keep it aimed that way.
Okay. Ich muss jetzt wohl üben. Zielen. Alter, geht's noch? Wo ist der Hase hin?
Is that what making do is?
Mann! Ich wusste nicht, dass das jetzt plötzlich so realistisch ist. Dass das ein richtiger Bogen ist. Das kriege ich schon hin. Jetzt pass auf, ich tue schon vorher zielen. Die Sehne spannen. So, darf ich jetzt... Alter! Alter! Was ist denn das jetzt für eine Kacke hier? Ich hab gedrückt gehalten, dann hat er nicht gezogen, die Sehne.
Well, since we don't have any food...
Ja, verhungern war halt. Mein Gott.
So what's this?
Das ist doch Kacke hier.
It won't fill you up, but it'll make you think you're not hungry for a while. At least I don't have to worry about you trying to shoot me.
Danke. Mann, ey. Nicht lustig, jetzt muss ich hungern. Jetzt muss ich mit kalte Füße ins Bett gehen, oder wie das heißt.
Thought you couldn't live without seeing ever again. Do you know what that's like?
I lost my family. First my mother, then my sister and father.
So you know how it feels. Cotter and I, we lost everything too. And we nearly lost each other. I didn't think he'd make it back this time. And I won't risk losing him again. Not even for the North Grove.
You know something about it, don't you?
Only what I've heard. But don't get your hopes up. It's not worth it.
Please, Sylvie. I need to know.
A few years back, one of the Ice River clans set out to find it. They'd heard stories that the cold couldn't touch it, that it's safe even in the dark of winter. So they'd set out, all full of hope, and none of them ever returned.
Maybe they stayed there. Maybe they liked it.
Free folk never stay anywhere. You'd know that if you were...
Help!
Cotter!
Fuck! Look out!
Oh shit. Okay, ihr Leute.
Looks like the place.
This is definitely the place.
Morgen gibt's Eisbein.
So, who are we dealing with
Tschüss.
exactly?
Mann, ey. Alter Falter.